Hi friends, this video shows how to enter into safe mode. Select settings from top right corner, then select device preferences, then select about. Here you can see restart. On restart we need to press and hold enter button on remote. Press and hold enter button on remote. Now here we can see reboot to safe mode. Select it. Okay, done. Now here the left side, here you can see safe mode. That means now this TV stick in safe mode. So this way we can reboot into safe mode. So if you want to exit from the safe mode, again go to settings on top right corner, then select device preferences, then select about, then select restart, then restart it. So this way we can exit from the safe mode. Okay, done. Now there is no safe mode label here in the left side, so that means right now we are in normal mode. So this way we can enter into safe mode and exit from that. So please try it.